Yeah. So 3.2. Yesterday we did pre-tax. No. Now we will do post-tax.
Post-tax.
Yeah. Post-tax cost of debt. So everything will be same. Only thing T will be differing. So T is how much given here?
35%.
Given 35%. So when you convert
35%.
into decimal, it will be
0.35.
Yeah, it will be 0.35. Yeah. So now you put this equation. So what are the equation? KD
I
is
into
equal
1
to,
minus T.
yeah, K is equal to,
We-
how much is I we got yesterday?
So 12.
12. So
12.
12 into 1 minus 0.35. 0.35 plus, what you have to add plus?
RV minus S.
RV minus SV.
105.
Yeah. 105 is RV minus SV. How much we got?
90.
90. Yeah. 90. Divided by how many years? N is how many years?
5.
5 years.
Yeah. So this whole divided by RV plus SV. So RV is how much? Same 105 plus 90 is SV divided by 2. Yeah. So I put for that. So please calculate. KD is equal to, how much you'll get numerator? 12 into 0.65.
7.8.
7.8, sir.
7.8 plus
3
do other
Plus
thing.
3.
105 minus 90 divided by 5.
3.
3. Okay. Then divided by
97.5.
90 divided by 2. How much?
97.5.
97.5.
5. Yeah. So now we divide 7.3 plus 7.8 plus 3, it is 10.8.
0.110.
Yeah, 10.8 divided by 97.5. 0.1107.
1107.
7. All of you got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now you multiply this into 100. How much will you get?
11.07.
11.07.
11.07%. This is my KD. Okay. Understood? How much we got pre-tax?
15.38.
Yeah, it was coming very high, 15.38. Whenever we are considering tax, what happens is our rate will come down. Any idea why it will come down? Yeah. Because of the tax. So when you are paying tax, the interest rate will be deductible by tax. That's why it will come down. Okay. Yeah. So this is your 3.2. 3.2. Okay. Next 3.3. 3.3 you can do it as homework. We'll anyways read the question now. So 3.3 can someone read for us? (3.3) students, anyone?
ABC Industries has raised funds by,
Yeah.
by issuing 10,000 debentures of ₹1,000 each at a discount of ₹50 per debenture with 10-year maturity. The coupon rate is 16%. The flotation cost is ₹50 per debenture. The debentures are redeemable at 10% premium. Corporate tax is 40%. Calculate KD.
Okay. So it is almost same like that. So here the company is issuing 10,000 debentures, and how much is one debenture? 1,000. And they are issuing at discount. How much? 50 rupees. 50 rupees per debenture discount. And the maturity is 10 years. So N is 10 years. The coupon rate is 16%. What is coupon rate? Coupon rate is nothing but interest rate. The one more name for interest rate is coupon rate. So coupon rate is 16%. The flotation cost is rupees 50 per debenture. Okay, and the debentures are redeemable at 10% premium, and corporate tax is 40%. Okay, so now you calculate, you do the valuation 3.3. So how much is I now? Can you calculate? So how much is per dividend per debenture? It is face value. This is called as face value. Face value is 1,000. So write down 1,000 into what is the debenture interest rate? Coupon rate. Coupon rate is nothing but interest rate. How much?
16%.
16%. So it is 0.16. So calculate how much you get. Thousand into 0.16.
160.
160.
160.
Okay. And then T is how much? In corporate tax, 40%.
10 years.
No, T. Corporate
T.
tax, 40%.
40%.
That is nothing but 0.40. Then what else we need? We need RV, redemption. So how are they redeeming? Are they redeeming at premium or discount?
Premium.
Yeah, the debentures are redeemed at 10% premium. So 10% premium we have to add to face value. So write down, that is 1,000 is face value, plus I'm going to get 10% premium on 1,000 into 0.10. 10% means 0.10. Divided by 100, I'll get this. So calculate how much you'll get. How much is 10% of 1,000?
100.
100. So 100 plus 1,000, how much?
1,100.
1,100. Got it? Yes or no? Next is sales
Yes.
value. Sales value. Sales value, how you calculate? Again, face value minus discount minus flotation cost. So face value is 1,000 minus any discount. Any discount is given? Yeah, each at a discount of 50 rupees per debenture. So 50 rupees per debenture minus 50. Any flotation cost is given?
50 rupees.
Yeah, how much? 50 rupees. So that also you have to deduct. So calculate the SV.
900.
It is 900. Got it, students? Any doubt? And N is how many years?
10 years.
N is given here 10 years. You can see here
10 years.
with 10 years maturity. So it is 10 years. Here. So I have done till now. Can you do it after this? Can you calculate as a homework? You can do it in home and then you can submit. You can tell me the answer tomorrow. Tomorrow, second hour, we have class.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these things you please write down. All of you please write down this, or you can take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot, all of you. Done? Or else anyway, this Excel sheet I'll upload in LMS. Okay, you can download that. So you have to calculate KD. Okay. You calculate post-tax only, you calculate pre-tax, both you calculate. Let's see. It will be a practice for you. Okay. And 3.4 also you can do it as homework. It's a very easy one. So 3.4 also directly he has given here. He has given 14% bond for they issued 5 years ago. Okay. The bond which has face value was 100 rupees, currently selling at 106, 108. So face value is 100. So how much is RV? Redemption value. Here, student, please listen. He has not given any discount. He is not giving any premium. He is redeeming at face value only. So your RV will be equal to face value. How much is face value? Rupees 100. And how much is your SV? Sales value?
108.
108. Right? Because he has not given any discount. He has not given any flotation cost. So 108. So it's a very simple problem. So please do it. Okay. So 3.3, 3.4, please do it as homework. And tomorrow we will discuss the answer. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then we'll
Yes,
go
sir.
now for 3.5. 3.5 is actually preference shares. So before that, let us discuss a little bit the formula for preference share. Yeah. So preference share. So what is the formula for preference share? Can you see? It is KP, cost of preference share. KP is equal to D plus RV minus SV divided by N whole divided by RV plus SV divided by 2. So what is the difference here in the formula?
I into 1 minus T.
Yeah, there we had a I interest rate, but now preference shareholders, as you know, they will get what? They won't get interest, they get dividends. Got it? So written here, you can see there, D is equal to dividends in rupees. We have to write the dividend amount, not the dividend percentage. We have to write the dividend amount. Okay. So remaining things are same. RV is redemption value, SV is sales value, N is number of years to maturity. Okay. All other things are same. Got it? So shall we do some problems on preference share?
Sure, sir.
Yeah. So I request someone to please read question number 3.5. Any one of you kindly read.
The terms the preference share issue made by the color DIChem are as follows. Each preference share has a face value of rupees 100 and carries a dividend rate of 14% payable annually. The share is redeemable after 12 years at par. If the net amount realized per share is rupees 95, what is the cost of preference share capital?
Okay, thank you. So the company is actually issuing a preference share. How much is the face value?
100.
100 rupees. So face value is 100 rupees. Okay. And the dividend rate is 14%. So preference share, we need dividend rate. So we don't want any interest rate. So they've given you dividend rate. The dividend rate is 14%. Okay. So 14% on face value you have to calculate. Always remember how we used to calculate interest. We used to calculate on face value. Similarly, dividend rate also is calculated on face value. Are you getting it? So 100 into 14%, you will get dividend amount. And then the share is redeemable after 12 years. That means N is 12 years. And if the amount realizable per share is 95. So what is 95?
SV.
SV or RV?
Selling price.
Yeah, realizable value means how much money they are going to realize or they are going to receive when they issue the preference share in the market. Okay. So they're going to get 95 rupees per share. And what is the cost of preference share we have to calculate? Okay. So let us move now. I'll open the file. Yeah. Let me zoom it. You fine? You're able to see? So we are going to use the same formula what we discussed now, D plus RV minus SV divided by N whole divided by RV minus plus SV divided by 2. Okay. So let us calculate now D. How to calculate D? I told face value into 14%. So calculate how much you'll get. That is 100 into how much?
0.14.
Yeah, 100 into 14%. How much you'll get?
14 rupees.
14 rupees. Correct. So how much is RV?
100.
Redemption, he has not told anything. He has not told whether he is going to redeem a discount or premium. So we will assume that means what? That means they are going to redeem at face value only. So your redemption value will be 100 only. And SV?
95.
Yeah, it is directly given here 95. So your SV will be 95. And what about N? 12 years.
12.
Yeah, N is 12 years. Got it? So we got D value, we got RV value, SV value, and N value. So we can substitute in formula. So substitute now in the formula. So D is 14. So I substitute as 14 rupees D, and RV is 100. So 100 minus SV is 95 divided by N. N is 12. So whole divided by RV again 100. SV 95 divided by 2. So please calculate the numerator value.
$14.416.
14.416.
416.
Okay. And the denominator?
97.5.
Okay. Let's see the answer. Yeah. 14 point. We'll get the 100 minus 95 divided by 12.416 divided by 100 plus 95, that is 195 divided by 2, 97.5. Yeah. Simplify further, you'll get how much? 14.416 divided by 97.5.
0.1478.
0.1478. Others?
0.1478.
Yeah, 0.1478. So multiply by 100. How much you'll get?
14.78.
14.78 is my KP. What is KP? Cost of preferential.
Cost of
It is similar. It is similar to your debenture calculation of cost of debenture. Only thing, rather than using I, we will be using D. That is the dividends. Is it clear? Any doubts in this question? 3.5. Students, any question? Can we go to the next question now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 3.6, we will discuss, and I'll tell you to solve it. These are very simple problems. So I want you to practice more and more rather than me doing it and showing it. There's not much any difficulty. It's a very simple problems. So let me read for you question number 3.6. Omega Enterprises issued 10 years 9% preference share 4 years ago. The preference share, which has a face value of 100, is currently selling for rupees 92. What is the cost of preference share? Okay. Tell me now how much is D? How will you calculate D?
9%. 9.
Yeah, 9 what?
9% of 100.
9%.
100.
Yeah, it is
9% of 100.
Yeah, that is rupees only. It will be 9 rupees. Got it? You have to say it as 9 rupees, not percentage. Because dividend amount we are calculating. Dividend amount always represented in rupees. Okay. So 9 rupees they are going to get for each preference shareholders. And how much is SV?
92 rupees.
92.
Directly given. And RV?
100 rupees.
100.
Why 100?
Face value is 100, sir.
Face value is 100.
100.
That means they have not given any data about redemption, whether they're going to redeem at premium or discount. So we will take that it will be redeemed at the face value only. And how much is your yen? Yen is how many years?
$10 years, sir.
10 years.
10 minus 4, sir.